Prompt engineering is a skill because every large language model requires a different format of prompt, and the better your prompt is, the better result you would get from your model. At the end of the day, these AI models are just software programs, of course, of a very, very advanced nature, and they can understand these natural language, but still, if you put garbage in, you will get garbage out. So, if you want a quality output from your large language models, then I would highly suggest you spend some time on prompt engineering. This tool, which you can see on your screen, is ChatGPT prompting, a free tool where you can build a prompt for ChatGPT AI model. The way it works is you give it a role and then you tell it what to do, then you give it your task in detail and then few other bits and information. For example, if I click on this example here, it is going to show you that if you want to build a task related to search engine optimization, then you should build your prompt like this. And here in the bottom you can see your whole prompt which you can give to ChatGPT, and you will get a very good quality response out of it and the thing which you want to do. Now if you look at it, it is telling it what role you should specify, what exactly you need in a summary, and then how do you want it to do, and then what it should focus on during the process and what it shouldn't be focusing, and then what sort of final result you want, and then at the end an example. And I cannot stress it enough how much an example improves your output, because then you get a very, very tailored response from your AI model, and that is not really confined to simply ChatGPT. Let me clear this and let me give you few examples. Let's say I want it to act like a professional pole dancer. So let me specify here. So you can either select it from here, but as the thing which I don't have is not in the list, so just type it here, professional pole dancer set, and then I just need a routine. Just put it here. So I'm asking it, I need a creative and athletic routine set, and then in the task one, I want to do some choreography and some pole dancing moves. So I'll just put it here in the custom. There you go. And now also in the process, I just want it to focus on artistic expression, strength and flexibility while ensuring safety and technique. I'm just entering it here, set, and then also I want to exclude any maneuvers that would be risky. There you go. And then I'm final result I want in a, I would say, let's say in a descriptive step-by-step format. I'll just go with custom, and there are a lot of formats as you can see, like plain text, JSON, CSV, PDF and so on. And let me give it an example. For example, it can go with this, with an elegant and empowering pole dance combinations. Then there you go. So you have this prompt already created. Just copy paste it. Okay, you can also click here to copy to clipboard. Open your ChatGPT, paste your prompt here, and then ChatGPT is going to give us a very, very fine answer, as you can see, a detailed one, and then step by step, as you can see. And then it is doing all that artistry and athleticism with respect to your pole dancing. How cool is that? Like jade blade, brass monkey, and all the techniques it is giving. And look at the detail. It is going on and on and on. And then the final notes. One cool tip I want to give you is that, for example, with this prompt, just paste this prompt and tell it, if I like your answer, I will tip you like $20. And then ChatGPT really tries to do a really, really fine job, because remember, at the end of the day, it is trained on the data set from all over the internet. So tipping, it equates with reward, and all these neural networks have this reward model. And you can see that this time response is more detailed, more accurate, and conclusion. There you go. Beautiful response. Okay, let me do one more example through GPT prompting. Let me clear the screen, and then maybe I want it to act as professional misuse. Let's put it in the custom, and then I need a detailed relaxation and therapeutic massage techniques. Let's do the custom one, and I want it to demonstrate various massage strokes and methods. Just set it custom, and then I'm asking it that it should focus on different muscle groups, maybe pressure points and all that stuff. There you go. And then I want it to avoid stuff like harmful or any medical expertise ones. I don't want it because that requires another license. And then I want it to go with the, maybe I'll just select the format as plain text, and then let me give it an example of some Swedish massage, and then set, and you can see that you have your whole prompt created in the down section. Click here, and then just give it here. Also tell it that if I like your answer, I am going to tip you $1,000. Let's see. And there you go. It is telling us the Swedish massage techniques because that is what we gave it as a reference and example. So it is taking it as a context, and then you can see that how focused and how tailored the response is. It is focusing on our muscles, and that is what we have told it. And then it is just giving it in proper format like application and which muscle group and what exactly is the purpose. Amazing stuff. And then safety tips are there too. And then there is a very, very compact, concise final note. That's it, guys. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you have any questions or if you know of any other better way of this prompt engineering, let me know. Happy to go through it, and I'll drop the link to this ChatGPT prompting in video's description. And really hats off to this person who has created it. Really good service. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel, and if you're already subscribed, please share it among your network as it helps a lot. Thanks for watching.